boys and girls, welcome to KidStar. Today we've got 2 Halloween snacks. The first one is going to be a spider cookie. So you have an oatmeal cookie, you have a Rolo, you have chocolate frosting, and you have 2 edible eyes here. So the first thing we're going to do is undo our Rolo. And we're going to squeeze a little bit of icing. Now, I'm going to put you in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put you in some toothpicks. And you can either put your frosting in a Ziploc bag and cut the tip off and do your legs, or you can use a toothpick, whichever one you want to do. So I'm going to put a little bit of frosting on the Rolo here. Then I'm going to set that on the cookie. Hopefully that will hold it on there. And then I'm going to squeeze our bag up here. And I've already started a few little legs, but I'm going to go over them. Let me get the eyes off of here, and I'll show you what to do. Okay? And how many legs does a spider have? He has 8. So Aunt Miss Libby's not doing too good here. Let's see, let me get it out here. Okay, there's one. And I'm sure you all are better at this than I am. I have a tendency to squeeze too hard. Okay. All right, now we're going to go over here. Do that one. Now. This one. That one did good. We'll go back over this one. And then we'll do this one. Okay. Now our spider has 1 too many legs, but that's all right. Now we're going to put a little bit of frosting on our edible eyes here and put that on our Rolo. And if you had rather use a toothpick, you will have a toothpick in there too. Whoop, sticking to my fingers. It's a good thing somebody else is not eating this. All right, there's your spider cookie right there. So you have an oatmeal cookie, a Rolo, chocolate frosting, and edible eyes. Now, our next thing is we're going to do an eyeball. And your eyeball is going to be a white powdered donut. In the center, you are going to have a gummy lifesaver. And then you're going to have an M&M in the center of your gummy lifesaver. Then this is your blood coming out from your eye. So what we're going to do is put some frosting on the center. See, it's already dripping. And there's your gummy lifesaver. Then we'll put a little bit more. on the center. Then some more blood coming down. And there is your eyeball. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a good time doing this. Like I said, you will have your donuts, you'll have your cookies, you'll have everything you need. If you choose not to put it in a Ziploc bag and cut the tip off, that's okay. We will put toothpicks in there and you can spread it on with a toothpick, okay? Hope you enjoy it and have a safe Halloween.